right, folks, Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars and the Lutherie Academy. I just received a new product in my shop. This is the GluBoost Fill and Finish Flexible Gel Formula. And when they sent me this, I thought, you know, what am I going to use this for? All of the products that I have from GluBoost are already great, and I use them for a variety of purposes here in my shop. But I've been experimenting with this, and I have found some great uses for this. Let me show you one of them. I'm sure I'll find a lot more as I get into this, but let me just show you one of them that's been a game changer here in my shop. This is a rosette. I'm working with a student this week in my shop. We decided to do a Indian rosewood rosette with a black, white, black perfing line around it. And when it comes time to do the finish work, the rosette is porous, and you have to find some way to seal that and fill those pores. And if you use regular CA glue, then it's just gonna, the capillary effect is gonna take it into the end grain here. It's gonna stain it. And so the gel, the advantage of that is it just sits on top of the wood. It doesn't actually penetrate like your normal CA glues would. So I just rub it in with a finger, rub it down into the pores there. It's also great if you have any gaps around your perfing lines or got a little sloppy with your installation work. This is one way to help fill those voids as well, around bindings and purflings. Many, many uses, and this is just one that I've found. And then I'm going to quickly hit it with some accelerator. Generally, one coat is enough. If you find you need more, go ahead and add in a second coat. And then just level that with some sandpaper, and you have a sealed rosette, and you haven't stained any of the wood. Now your highly porous rosette is ready for finish work. So there you have it, the flexible gel adhesive from GluBoost. I didn't think they could improve on any of their products. I mean, they're all great, but wow, just when I thought it couldn't get any better, it did. Thank you very much, GluBoost, for making my life easier as a luthier, and I'm sure that you'll find many uses for the flexible gel adhesive in your shop as well. Happy building, folks.